Huh? Gold, silver is okay because costly item. Gold, silver is okay. Even you leave the purse because inside the purse nothing is there. But silver, gold, you don't leave. You keep it with you only. Okay? Remove the pen. If this thing is so tight, why don't you loosen? Don't feel tight anywhere because you are wearing tights only. Everywhere it is tight. Okay. The right foot over the left foot. The right foot like this. The right foot over the left foot. Don't put your back on the chest back. Should be 90 degree. Should be 90. Like this. Clasp the hand. Fingers like this or keep it like this. Whichever way you feel comfortable. Sit comfortably. That is the mantra. Sit comfortably means not like this. You have to maintain 90 degree. Comfortability should be there. No rigidity. No rigidity anywhere in the body. Body is very much relaxed. The hands, whichever way you feel like, put it in the on the thigh or clasp like this and put it here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Whatever command I am going to give you, you are going to follow. Once you close the eye, automatically you feel a calmness. You develop a calmness. Closing the eye, you are developing a calmness. The mind is becoming so calm, so quiet, so cool. Now, you are keeping the concentration with your breath. Don't aggravate or contract the normal breath. Leave the normal breath. Inhale and exhale. Whatever the God has given to you, breathing. Keep the concentration with the breath. Both the nostrils. The air is going inside and coming out without your conscious. Without you make any effort. Automatically the breathing is happening. You are keeping the concentration with the breath. Once you keep the concentration with the breath, your mind is becoming calm, cool, quiet. Now, I ask you to take a deep breath without making any noise. Take a deep breath and hold it inside your stomach for some time, as long as you can. And once you are unable to keep it inside, slowly exhale without making the noise. Now, take another deep breath till the stomach is filled. Without making any noise, fill it and keep it inside. Hold it as long as you can. If you are unable to hold it for a longer period, exhale very slowly without making any noise. Your mind is with me now. Take another deep, long, soundless breath till you fill the stomach. Hold it for some time, as long as you can. Once you are unable to keep it on the stomach, exhale very slowly, without making any noise. Inhale and exhale. Your mind is becoming so calm, so quiet, so cool, becoming so calm, so cool, so quiet. Now, the concentration is on the upper head. You are seeing your upper head now. The concentration is on the upper head. The upper head is becoming relaxed, full of relaxation, becoming so calm, so quiet, so cool. Slowly the concentration getting inside the brain, the left brain. You are seeing your left brain now. There are so many wrinkles you are able to see on the left side of the brain. It is a pale yellow in color. You are seeing it fully relaxed. There are no tensions in the mind now. The left brain is getting calm, getting cool, getting relaxed. Slowly the concentration transferring to the right brain. The pale yellow, wrinkled right brain is also becoming calm, getting relaxed. Both brains are relaxed now. The right hemisphere, the left hemisphere of the brain is fully relaxed. The muscles, there are no tensions, no thoughts, fully relaxed. Your mind is so calm, so quiet, you fully relaxed. The concentration slowly slips down to the forehead portion. Forehead. You are seeing your forehead now, full of relaxation. Slowly the concentration shifting over to the back portion of the head. The neck and back portion of the head, fully relaxed, completely relaxed. Slowly the concentration shifting over to the right eyebrow, fully relaxed, full of relaxation. Now, the left eyebrow, the concentration shifted to the right eyebrow, fully relaxed, full of relaxation. The eyelids, the left eyelid getting relaxed, the right eyelid getting relaxed, full of relaxation. You are shifting over to the eyeball, the right eyeball. Your concentration is with the right eyeball, fully getting relaxed. Slowly it is shifting over to the left eyeball. It is also getting relaxed, full of relaxation, fully relaxed. You are becoming so calm, so quiet, so cool. Slowly the concentration shifting over to your left ear. Your left ear. It is getting relaxed. Right ear getting relaxed. Now the concentration shifting over to the right cheek. Relaxed. Left cheek. Relaxed. The chin getting relaxed. The nose getting relaxed. Full of relaxation. The upper lips getting relaxed. The lower lips getting relaxed. The tongue getting relaxed. Inner tongue getting relaxed. The throat, foot pipe getting relaxed. Windpipe getting relaxed. Thyroid and parathyroid glands inside the throat getting relaxed. The left shoulder getting relaxed. The left hand, upper hand. You are seeing the upper hand now. Relaxed. Elbow, relaxed. Right hand, palm, getting relaxed. The fingers of the right hand. The thumb finger, relaxed. Index finger, relaxed. Middle finger, relaxed. The left hand, ring finger, relaxed. The little finger, relaxed. Slowly the concentration shifting over to the right shoulder. It is also relaxed. Upper arm, elbow, forearm, the palm of the right hand fully relaxed. The thumb finger, ring finger, index finger, middle finger, relaxed. The total left hand and right hand, relaxed. Now you are seeing your back portion of your spinal cord getting relaxed. There are 32 bits in the spinal cord, fully relaxed. Now the concentration shifted to the chest area, getting relaxed. The left chest area, relaxed. Right chest area, relaxed. Inside the lung, the right lung, getting relaxed. Left lung, getting relaxed. You are seeing your heart now. The concentration is with the heart. It has got 4 chambers. Left up, left up. You are hearing the sound of the heart. Fully relaxed. The concentration shifted over to the bottom of your stomach. The bladder, gallbladder, pancreas, liver, relaxed. Small intestine, big intestine, relaxed. The hip, relaxed. The left leg, thigh muscles, relaxed. Knee, relaxed. The calf muscles of the left leg, relaxed. The foot, relaxed. The toes, relaxed. Your concentration is with the right leg thigh muscles, relaxed. Knee, relaxed. The right leg calf muscle, relaxed. Foot, relaxed. Toes, relaxed. Top of the head to the tip of the toe, you are fully relaxed. Your mind is with me now. You are calm, quiet, no thoughts are there in the mind. Your mind is so calm, so quiet, you are in the alpha state. Once I say number 5, you are going to come back to normalcy. Number 1, try to come back to the body. Number 2, you are coming back to the body. Number 3, slowly you are coming back to the body. Number 4, fully relaxed. Try to open your eyes. Number 5, open your eyes very slowly. Slowly open your eyes. Come back to normalcy.